So it's time for second speaker. Uh, Second speaker is Korala CSG. His topic is incorporating design thinking process in redesigning existing student performance monitoring mobile application. Mr. Korala is an instructor at University of Moratuwa, Department of Information Technology. Let me welcome Mr. Korala to the stage.
I'm Changa Gonsal Korala from University of Moratuwa, Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences. So my topic is incorporating design thinking process in redesigning the existing student performance monitoring mobile application, Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, University of Moratuwa. First of all, I will give a kind of brief introduction about my topic. So there are nearly 4,000 students in our faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences. So currently they are using performance evaluation system PES for evaluate their results, and if they want to see the GPAs and everything, they can access they can go to the PES and access those data. And currently, in addition, the past few years ago, we had FHSS app, but in that app, there are some usability issues with that app, and my paper demonstrates the significance of the design thinking process in the redesign of FHSS app for the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences at the University of Moratuwa. So when going with usability studies and users testings, we identify there are a lot of problems with the current app, the FHSS app, and there are more readability issues, and we identify the users users are not satisfied with the mobile app, and there are so many problems, and this is the past app we have, and you can see there are some readability issues and user experience issues, and my main object was to redesign the mobile app to cater the design needs, what they want, what the main requirements from kind of this app. And because they already have a PES, the performance evaluation system, and what they want from app, most of students say the app is just the current app is just we can just see the results and no any help from this app. Why we want to download from App Store this app, and there are a lot of apps currently, right? And so my main objective was redesigning kind of good app, kind of user-centered mobile app, going through with the design thinking process, and creating kind of good mobile app to the students. So I followed talking about the methodology. I followed the design thinking process. You know about the emphasis in defining, ideate, prototyping, and testing the design thinking process. I go through with it, and first I start with talking with the students. I collect data, and I take a random go through with the random sampling method and collect data from the students and give a questionnaire. And also I conduct some kind of in-depth interviews and ask what they want, what they are expecting from kind of mobile app, from kind of these mobile applications. And I started to create personas and empathy maps, and what they feel and what they want. Likewise, I tried to figure out what their requirements. And I figured out there are some kind of problems. The main problems are students already identify they already can see their results, but there are no any analytical part. They just see the results, no any GPA calculation. And also academic staff, the requirements, I also conduct some interviews with the academic staff, and their requirement is we also want to check students' performances, and we also want to see their performances. And also in the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, we have 150, 60 students who having kind of disability issues, kind of blind students. There are 60, 50 kind of number of students. So I have to create the mobile lab for those students also. And likewise, I identify the problem, and then I try to ideate my mobile lab, the concept. And first, I think about the readability issues. They already mentioned about the readability issues, and I use kind of clear font and colors. So I try to maintain our university branding colors, and also try to maintain the minimalism. So when we are talking about the arts, the humanities and social science faculty, the students are come from rural areas, and the IT literacy is kind of bit low. And I think I want to maintain the minimalism, and I start to do prototyping, and I try to maintain the colors, the university branding colors, and the minimal things, and I try to maintain kind of good use experience. And also I had a kind of push notification system. So the students, if it's kind of the faculty release the results of the semester results, so they have kind of push notifications, and they can see those results. Likewise, I add more tools and more facilities to the mobile apps. So this is the past step, and now I currently this is the home page of the mobile app, and I add the sliders, so the users can currently see what are the events of the university, what the students are currently doing, what are the functions of the university, and just very simple navigation bar. And also I categorize the mobile app to first year students, second year students, third year students. So the first year students, they have kind of university online trailer, right? The places, how to get the registration from the library, and what is the AR, what is the registration number, what is the examination number, because those students don't know about those things. So from the mobile app, I try to give kind of understanding about these things to the user, and the results, I try to maintain the gamification techniques. I follow the gamification techniques, and if the students have kind of 3.56 GPA, I give those, I show those GPAs kind of in one color, and I try to show, I try to encourage them, motivate them. If they have kind of low GPA, I try to motivate them. And from the user experience method, I follow the UI design principles and user experience psychological things, and I give kind of motivation codes in the end of the page to motivate students. And after that, after the prototyping, I did the testings. Most of problems, likewise this problem came because users can edit the profile, and they have kind of they can change the profile picture, like those things. So because the development team is also students, the design is done by me, but developers are from this, we get developers from the students. And the lead from our department head, he's lead the team, and we did this project with students. So this output with the academic staff and the students. So likewise, we identified these problems, and also we have kind of accessibility issues, because I test this mobile app with the students who can't see this app, the blind students, and they identify some icons and some buttons they can't read, and they are asking what is this. And because you know that when we can design, but when we are developing something, when we are developing a mobile app, we have to think about those things and those accessibility thing. And there are some issues. So when I doing testing, I figure out those issues. And some people click the home button for go home, but there are no option. And I did some usability testing, and I figure out those issues. So it's currently available on Google Play and the Play Stores. And the conclusions of the project I created, the research is for This research paper documents how to incorporate the design thinking process into a redesign of a mobile application related to an academic institute that viewed by a bunch of students regularly. So another point of my another ambition is giving kind of experience to the another researchers, because when I start building this mobile application, I couldn't find kind of mobile application done by another universities, also from Sri Lanka, also from other countries. But when I doing this research, I did this research because to give kind of good documentation how to follow the design thinking process and how we can create kind of good mobile app for education institute. So that's what I wanted. That's what I tried to do, and this is the references, and yes, that's my research, and thank you very much.